If you have a Peugeot and if you're having a dreaded ABS error code, and if you just started searching what it may be, I probably can help. These are the errors which I was getting and which lead me to relay. It is a C1385 and a C1178. This is the main error and this is the secondary which I was getting. Also this one P, it disappears when I change the relay with working one. So the main error was this, and it led me, after checking the fuses, to the relay. So you should check these fuses. These fuses here, and in the end you have this double relay here. So you should check step by step everything like I said, and finally you should check the relay. In my case it is the relay, but in your case it can be fuse or 10 amps fuses like these here. So by following these steps you will probably be able to find a true reason why you are getting an ABS error code on your Peugeot. So first things first, if you're getting error code when you press the brake, you should check brake switch. That is the first step. If that is not the case, if you're getting a ABS error code like me, which immediately lights up with stop sign on your dash, you should run diagnostic at that point. And if you're getting an error code C1381, you probably have a faulty relay, double relay for fuel and ABS. Of course, the problem can be more complex. You should first check the fuses, those in engine bay. If that is not the problem is probably partially faulty double relay. In my case, this relay I already checked. By looking of this diagram, I was able to check here, and I think that the problem is with few diodes. The relays are good, but two diodes looks like dead. So that's why I can run the car, but it loses power because this is a full pump relay, and I get ABS code, which is why the problem is a bit problematic for a lot of mechanics, electricians. They weren't able to solve this for me, and I managed to solve it. Okay, one day later I did find a second double relay and did try on my Peugeot 308, and it worked flawlessly immediately. But what I want to do is to try to repair this to reduce e-waste. It should be a simple task, so let's open it up and see what is going on. Okay, I got it open, and when I was testing with a multimeter, I believe the two of these diodes are dead, so let's recheck that out and try to replace them and hopefully make this relay working again. I'm gonna show you how you should test diodes. We have 4. They are in pairs, but we can test them separately now. On your multimeter, you should set on diode. You have a marking on diode. You probably can see this gray part that represents a minus side. The other side is a plus, so you use a minus probe on that side and plus on the other side to test it, because they have only one direction. So the first one is completely dead. The second one is 0.1, but that is not good because these diodes are 0.5 volts. The third one is working, and the last one is not working. And for this working one, if we check a different direction, it won't work. It is open circuit. So as they are super cheap, here I got 5. I'm gonna show you. If you test them, it is more around 0.6, at least this model. They all have good reading. We troubleshoot this, and I'm gonna remove all diodes and place the new ones, mark the negative side, place them the same as it is, and it should work. So let's do it. I got them resoldered, not my best job, I know, sorry about that, but it looks promising right now, and let's go and test it out. And moment of truth. It is working, guys. I'm pressing the brake, no error. So the solution was simple. I'm kidding, it was not simple. They were quoting me around 200 euros to solve this problem for me, but I managed to solve it by myself. I'm not an expert in this. I did it by logic and some Google research. I hope you enjoyed watching, and until next time, see ya.